Hello gamers and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the high ping problem or network issues on Marvel Rivals. So to begin with, you have to make sure that you're connected to the right server and the closest one to you. So what you do is go where you choose servers and then choose the one which is closer to you or with the high network, with the high ping. So apparently all of my servers are a bit down right now because I think it's because of my network is actually having issues, but I can still show you to actually fix yours. So you confirm, and then if that doesn't work, as mine is not working, so after that we're just gonna head on to our desktop. So from here we're gonna search for control panel. So you're gonna go down to search, and then we're gonna go to control panel. So I don't need to search because mine is already here, but you can actually type control panel here and then click control panel and then go to network and internet. And then from this stage, you're gonna want to go on network and sharing center. After that, at the top left corner, there are options here. You want to choose change adapter settings. After that, you locate your internet that you're connected to. So I'm connected to this one. So then you right click on it and then press properties. And then you go to DNS. So you go to Internet Protocol version 4. Yeah. Then you go properties. And then from here, you're going to, usually it will be like this. So what you do on this stage, you just go to this part where it's written obtain DNS server address automatically, and then choose the below option, and you put here 1 1 1 1, and then here it's 1 0 0 1. Okay, and then you close. So after this, you can try and run the game again. And if still the game persists not to actually work and still get high numbers of ping, what you could do, you could do what professional gamers do. They just connect onto the Ethernet directly.